How to send stars on Telegram. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can send stars to any of your contacts or friends on Telegram. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your Telegram app. So just click on Telegram, and now here you'll be able to see these three horizontal lines at the top left. So just click on these three lines and you will be redirected here. Select the settings option in this list, then scroll down to find my stars, and now here all of the stars which you have in your Telegram will be displayed over here if you do have any. You can even buy stars from clicking on buy stars for yourself, but if you want to gift stars to any of your friends, you can just click on this gift stars to friends. So just click on that. When you click on that, your friend list will be displayed over here, so you can select any of the friends to who you wish to send the stars to. So select any of your friends, and here you'll be able to see the stars list. Now here is written the prices of all the stars. You can buy any of the package which you want for 100 stars or 250 stars or 500, whichever you want. There are also more options if you click on more options if you want to buy more than that. So just select any desired amount. Note that the currency will depend on the country in which you're residing in. So just select any of the stars and then verify with the payment method associated with your account. So that was how you can send stars on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.